Welcome back, guys, to Tech Balance. This is the first episode of the ccna course and it's on RIP configuration. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's that simple. So let's set up two networks first. Let's pick PCs, the first PC and the second PC over here. Let's connect them to the routers. So after we do this, let us configure IP addresses to the both PCs and then configure IP addresses on the interfaces they are connected to the router. Default gateway should be the same IP address as the interface connecting to the PC. So let's configure an IP address for the interface. Let's configure an IP address for PC1. Let's configure an IP address for the interface. Let's configure IP addresses for both interfaces gig01 in the routers, in the both routers. Let's configure for IP address for interface gig01 on router 1. So what we do during RIP configuration, we are going to enable RIP protocol on both the routers, and after enabling the RIP protocol on the both routers, we will activate the network. We will activate network 10.0.0, which is connecting these two routers. Then we will advertise each network on which is connecting the PCs. Let me show you how it's done. Okay. Network. Let's go to router 1. Let's do the same to router 1. So let's save now the configurations. The configurations are done. Let's now see if the RIP configuration is successfully configured, and we'll do that by pinging both of the PCs, that is PC0 and PC1 from each network. Let's see. So the IP address of PC1 is 172.16.0.2, So let's ping it from PC0. As you can see, it's picking very well, showing that RIP protocol is successfully configured and there is no loss of data, meaning there is communication between the two networks. Thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like our content. Catch you in the next one.